Hi, I'm Mark from PWS, and today I'm going to show you how to fit an Arena Magic Corner in just a few simple steps, and along the way show you some top tips to make it even quicker. First, Magic Corners come in two boxes. First box has the baskets and everything else is in the other. Double check you've got the right product. Magic Corners are handed. If it swings to the right, you need to order a right hand. Let's open the boxes and see what we've got. We've got two cabinet baskets, two door baskets, fitting instructions and template, frame, top bracket, bottom bracket, swivel mechanism, side runner, door bracket. And now I'm going to show you how to fit it. The minimum cabinet depth you need is 485mm. Our cabinet depth is between 485 and 500, so we're using drilling position A1 for fixing the frame. Position the template in the cabinet and mark the position of the frame in A1. And do the same on the other side. And now mark for the top bracket, bottom bracket, and the swivel mechanism. And now drill pilot holes. And screw to fix. Lock the frame into position. Fix the top bracket. Fix the bottom bracket. And fix the swivel mechanism. We're now into the assembly, and none of this requires any tools for the fitting or adjustment. Push the side bracket into the bottom and top mechanism and locking it into position. Now we'll fix the swivel mechanism by connecting it to the side runner and to the frame. Next, fix the door bracket to the back of the door. The instructions refer to X and Y. X is the overlay of the door over the side of the cabinet, and Y is the overlay of the door over the bottom of the cabinet. And now offer the door to the side runner and click into position. And now position the baskets, the large baskets inside the cabinet and the small baskets on the back of the door. Adjustment is toolless and three-dimensional. Up and down, side to side, and in and out. Just to recap, position the template. Mark the position of the top bracket, bottom bracket, swivel mechanism and frame. Fix the frame into position. Fix the top and bottom bracket and swivel mechanism. Fix a side runner. Connect the swivel mechanism to the frame and side runner. Position the baskets. And that's it. How to fit a Magic Corner in a few easy steps.